explorers, are you ready to visit the farm? Let's meet the animals and hear their sounds. We'll count from number 11 to number 1. Let's go! Look, a fluffy rabbit. Rabbits don't make big sounds, but they love to jump and eat carrots. Can you hop like a bunny? Who says? It's a cat. Cats love to nap in the sun and chase little bugs. Can you make the same sound? Who is that? It's a dog. Dogs love to run, play, and wag their tails. Let's bark. This is a goat. It likes to climb and eat grass. Listen. Say it with me. Look, a sheep, so soft and white. It says. Can you say? Sheep have fluffy wool and love to stay together in a group. Who lives near the pond? It's a duck. Ducks love to swim and flap their wings in the water. Say it loud. Wake up, everyone. The rooster is here. Roosters sing in the morning to wake up the farm. Try it with me. After the rooster, here comes a hen and her chicks. She lays eggs and makes a funny sound. The tiny chicks love to stay close to their mommy. Who loves mud? It's a pig. Let's oink together. Pigs have a big round nose, and they like to dig in the dirt. Look at the horse. It runs fast and it says, neigh like a horse. Horses have strong legs to run and jump. And finally, the cow. She's big and gentle. It says, let's moo together. Cows love to eat grass and rest in the sun. Yay! You did it! You met all the farm animals. If you liked the video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun. Bye bye, little explorers!